What is that? A plant.
It's a plant.
Emma's Kids Channel.
Hi, Emma. Emma and hi, Rubble. Emma and Rubble are gonna try to find all the items on our scavenger hunt list today. So the first thing on the list is a flower.
Flower.
Can you and Rubble find a flower?
Find a flower? Oh, Rubble, you can find a flower.
Yeah, where's a flower?
Where's the flower? Where's Rubble flower? Rubble will pick the flower. Send the kids. Found it.
You found it.
You found the Rubble flower.
Okay, let's see. What's the second item on our list? It's a tree.
It's a tree.
That's a tree? Yeah. I think you're right.
Look, plant.
And a plant, yeah. The third item on our list is a bird. So can you find a bird?
A bird. Let's go find a birdie, Rubble. Where's this birdie go?
Seeing a birdie?
Birdie? Yeah, the Rubble birdie. Oh, it's up in the house. What? That's hot.
There's a bird
There's a bird.
all the way up there.
Where's that Rubble? Oh,
There he is.
There he is. Where is Rubble? Oh, there he is. He found you, Rubble.
Okay, now let's find some grass.
Grass. And it's grass.
Yeah, it's all grass.
Oh,
There's some grass.
there's my grass. There's my grass. There's my rock.
Is this grass? This is lemongrass.
Grass.
A lot of it.
What is this? Sticks.
Okay, let's find
Look,
a mushroom.
find the mushroom. Okay. It's a mushroom.
Nope, I don't think that's a mushroom.
Find a mushroom.
Check the crosshair.
What's that? Mushroom.
Yes, you're right. That is a mushroom. A wild mushroom.
We're gonna look at this.
Find a green leaf.
Green leaf.
Which one? Show me.
The bird. Here's the bird.
Yeah, I heard the bird. That
It's
bird
up
is
in the
listening.
nuts. Hurry, up in the nuts.
Yeah, it's up in the nut somewhere.
Look at the flowers today.
Can you find a green leaf?
Eat. Can you eat
A green leaf.
green leaf? You know? Maybe rats?
Is this a green leaf?
Yeah. Look. It's the ants.
You're seeing ants?
See ants.
Ah, you found an ant. That's right.
That's right. Ants. Ants.
No, there are two.
Number 2.
Emma found an ant.
Found the ant.
Okay, so that was number 14 on our list.
Mushroom man.
Now we need to find a butterfly.
Find the butterfly. And now, Mommy, Snicker! Ah! Hi, Snicker.
Oh, that's a lizard.
Where are they going? It's looking at butterflies, sister.
I don't think he saw any butterflies.
Showing butterflies. Is it up here
Are
then?
you seeing any butterflies?
No.
So there are no butterflies out today.
Nika?
Moving on, a spider. Can you find a spider?
Can you find butterfly?
What about a spider?
Where's the spider?
Let's see. Looking for a spider. Spider web.
Spider web.
Yeah.
Here.
Are you seeing it?
No.
Spider web's right here.
I hear it. Spider web.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Next item on the list is a cloud. Can you find a cloud?
No. I found it.
You did. There are lots of clouds in the sky today.
Look, baby cloud found it.
Did Emma find it or did Rubble find it?
Go find it.
Who found the clouds?
When you found the clouds.
Okay, so let's find a bee.
Find a bee. Let's go find butterfly.
Did you see the butterfly?
No.
What about a bee?
A bee.
Are you hearing them buzz, buzz, buzzing?
Buzzing. Wobble. Mommy.
There are normally bees on this tree because of the flowers, but there are no bees right now. Okay, so let's move on. What about the sun? Can you find the sun?
Yeah. Find the sun.
Yep. There. And a stump. Can you find a stump?
Stump. Stump. Where are you?
Stump.
Right there.
This is a stump.
Stump.
Stump. With a P.
Hey.
A branch.
Branch.
Can you find a branch?
No. You can find branch.
This is a branch.
Look. It's on a branch.
The lizard was on a branch.
It's on the branch.
The part that's connected to the tree trunk is a branch.
Where's it go?
This is a branch.
Where is it?
Can you point to the branch for me?
Can you find where's it go?
Where's the branch?
Look,
Yeah, that's a branch.
that's a branch.
Okay, so we found the ant. What about a feather?
What is that? They got the wing of the
Find a
Bee?
feather.
weave. We'll weave in the snake eye. There's a feather.
There's a butterfly.
There's a butterfly. Hi, butterfly. Butterfly.
Where did he go?
Where do you go? Where did you go?
He went across there by the other tree.
On the tree. Butterfly. Butterfly.
See if we can find him.
Butterfly. Bumblebee.
Found a bumblebee?
No, we find butterfly.
Oh yeah, there's a bumblebee.
There's a bumblebee. Bumblebee. Bumblebee, hear this?
I'm here.
There he is.
You seeing a feather?
No.
Did Rebel find a feather?
Okay, we can find farther. Oh, snake on.
It's another lizard.
That's lizard. Where'd it go?
We're looking for a feather.
Feather.
You found a stick?
Almost there.
Okay, so that was after the feather. We did not find a feather, but where's your stick?
Here you stick.
Get it. Hold Rebel.
Oh, wobble.
Hi, Rebel. Emma's getting the stick. Oh, good job.
Hi, snake.
Stick. Okay. Okay, so we found the stick, we found the spider web, rocks.
What?
Can you find some rocks?
Yes. How the rocks?
Yeah. Point them at your stick for me.
There's some mushroom.
There's some rocks as well.
What's around?
Rocks. Now you're gonna find a yellow leaf.
No. This the yellow leaf.
Yeah, this is a yellow leaf. Good job. And the last item is a fruit on a tree.
Fruit on the tree.
I think there's one right here.
Right there.
There is a fruit on this tree.
Fruit on the tree.
Up here, Emma.
There.
Okay. So hold on to Rubble and say goodbye.
Goodbye. Stunk. Found the stunk.
The stump.
Find stunk. Can you find the treasure? Stunk.
Mhm.